In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn on privacy screen on iPhone. Let's get started. If you want to make your iPhone screen more private in public places, then watch this video till the end. Launch settings, then navigate to the option accessibility. Head over to the option display and text size. Under this, you're gonna find different option. Now scroll all the way down until you see the option of reduce white point. Toggle on for this option. Then use the intensity slider to increase the level based on your preference. This reduces the brightness intensity of bright colors on your screen, making the display less visible to people sitting beside you while still keeping it comfortable for you to use. It can also help reduce screen glare and improve privacy when using your iPhone in public places like buses, cafes, schools, or offices. However, keep in mind that this is not a complete privacy mode or official private display feature. For stronger screen protection, you should consider using a physical privacy screen protector which limits viewing angles much more effectively. And that's it. That's how you can make your iPhone display more private using a simple built-in setting. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.